Hi, my name is Shyla Villanueva, and today I'm going to show you folks how to make a lei hairpiece with ferns. So there are a lot of traditional uses for ferns, and making lei with them is just one of them. And today I think that's the most popular way that people use ferns. And a lei is what looks like just a simple garland of flowers, actually has a lot of cultural meaning. Hula dancers use it for celebration, religious purposes, um, to tell stories in lei, and to also just show affection and showcase beauty. So I was always taught that you always have to have a purpose for lei, because if not, then the lei will fall apart or it won't last long. Similarly to, you have to be in good spirits when you make the lei, because you're transferring your energy into these plants that you are also giving to someone else. So today I'm just making a simple hairpiece. The purpose is showcasing beauty. So today I actually have a native fern, palapalai, as well as kupu kupu. This is also a native fern. And I've also chosen to bring some orchids. I'm just gonna go with pieces that are up to 2.5 inches long. The material I use is raffia. For this backing, you just take the raffia, 3 strands, you braid it and you knot off the ends. And then you are going to need just 1 strand of raffia that you're going to use to vili. You want to always start with kind of a long piece. You're going to take the strand you're going to vili with, and you're going to pick a spot to start. So I'm going to start right here, because you always want to leave a little bit so that you can go around and tie. I would just start with the palapalai, and you want to lay it flat. So making sure that your fingers are always pinching that down, and you're going to take this and you're just going to wrap it around. And see how it kind of went off of place? Just gently pull it to the center. And then I'm going to put this other one on the left side. Also, another way to prevent you from bulking up one spot is to make sure that when you're moving on to the next piece, you're always pinching below. That way, when you lay down your next piece, you pinch underneath and you wrap underneath. So let's try and put an orchid in here. So what I do is I just kind of pick off whatever can be picked off, just so not much is sticking out. And to make a nice ending, I just like to wrap around, just keep wrapping. And once you think that you have wrapped enough, you kind of just want to go ahead and knot it off.